just a quick heads up, this is a more relaxed week of uni, so my boyfriend came over and we honestly spent a lot of time making food, if anything, so I apologize if this is like a lot of food overload, but I hope you guys enjoyed and let's get started. Morning, what am I saying? Whoa, you scared me. Okay, I'm gonna be making kimchi stew, so I need to grab all the ingredients. So I've been obsessed with kimchi stew recently, partly because I've got so much at home for one person, I need to like finish it, but also, I don't know, I think since last year I've been like obsessed with it and I only recently realized how easy it was to make, so I learned how to make it, and if you're interested in what recipe I use, I'll definitely link it below for you guys.
But I get why.
We've got a parcel. We've just made an order from KFC, so we're gonna go grab it now from the front. These are the best. We honestly spent most of this day like eating, if not we were doing work / multitasking. Right now watching anime, and I'll link the anime down below if you're curious. It's kind of creepy and it's on Netflix. And right now I'm just making strawberry milk, so you should try this. It's actually kind of interesting. No, those ones are good. It's the next day and we're going downstairs to get some breakfast. And my room's really messy, so this needs to be cleaned up. But yeah, we're gonna go downstairs, do work, and watch some shows and make some food. And yeah, that's the plan. Whoa, it is it! Whoa! Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna set this up.
Voices will get drowned out, wouldn't it? Mad.
But we can start without it.
So my boyfriend and I actually had quite a bit of work to finish, so we were just sitting on my bed and just finishing all that off before we went to bed and watched a movie. My boyfriend is sleeping over today. And I'm doing some editing right now, so I'm gonna keep editing, and then he's watching a movie with uni people. But yeah, that's basically all we got up to today.
No.
Come back. Okay, we came downstairs to make some food, and then we decided, well, I decided that we're going to make some takoyaki. Okay, we're cooking all the dry ingredients first, or like the frozen stuff and the noodles. And it looks like this. So we're gonna wait for that, and then we're gonna put it in here. For some strange reason, this recipe took like a while to make, but it did turn out really well in the end. It's really easy. You just need the sauce, which you can buy in packets, or you can make it yourself. And you just add like rice cakes or glass noodle, eggs, whatever you want, fish cake. So if you're curious, I'll leave like a recipe below if you actually really want to know how to make it. And yeah, hopefully that's useful to you guys. Oh, that looks so good. Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Is it
it's
good?
Spicy, man.
Let me get a bite of this. Whoa.
It's hot.
That's so spicy. Egg. Oh yeah.
I think it's 6 times. It is? Yeah.
So my room's a wee bit messy right now, so I thought we should clean it, and I want to make some brownies later, so I think we're gonna make some brownies and clean up my room because you guys don't understand how messy this is. I was filming at like my window because the lighting's good here, and I had to like tie up this mirror so I could see myself and like do my makeup. My little makeshift stand with my charging cord. we're about to go down. Let's make some pizza with...
Sup, homie?
No, we need to see what we're doing down here though.
Wait, you gave me this or?
Huh? Yeah. Wait.
Oh, right, hold on.
It's time
Is that right?
to move the stuff.
That is, looks like ice cream, potato, mashed potato. Oh, like pick it up and fold it again.
For context, we didn't actually have yeast, so I found this yeastless recipe, and I also realized you could use baking powder as a somewhat of a substitute, so I'll leave a recipe down below if you're curious. This worked out actually pretty well, so yeah, really simple ingredients and tasted actually pretty good. I want the taste test.
Which one?
Let me take a look at that. Oh no! Is that not cooked?
Otherwise, let's just leave them in there for a while.
And that's number 3 and pizza number 4. We're currently making rice for our kimbap. And we didn't have any like ski special rice, so I just used the plain rice that we normally use, but I think you're meant to use short grain. Okay, we have all of our dry ingredients. We have the beef, the radish, the buckwheat stuff, the cucumber, and we have the rice. So we want to get some rice. It's not cutting properly. Can you do it?
You hold like that.
Mm-hmm. Oh wow. What? I'm so bad at this part. Can we swap? Yeah, look, I broke it. So we spent the night watching a movie whilst doing some work to stay somewhat productive, and then we ordered food a bit later as well. So honestly, not that interesting, but I thought it was pretty fun. Thank you. Oh my god, this is so big. We got a snack pack with, I think, like turkey and like beef or something. It was really, really good. So yeah, just a lot of eating, as you can see.
Well, you have like so much meat and like,
Right.
you don't give me much more chips and meat.
Oh my gosh, I am so red. The teas are like that.